Hi and welcome back. This is the Bosch PBD-40 drill press and I really like it. Bit of an overview. It's a conventional pillar drill. It has 2 speed ranges. It has a gearbox for 1 and 2 speeds. It has a laser. It has its own little light. And I'm using it right now as an idea as a drum sander. I've got these sanding drums and I've made these holes for them that fits in my vise. Here's a small one. Let's give it a try. To turn it on, a perfectly acceptable drum sander. And as a bonus, look at this. These are the Stanley Boxes. And I made a holder for 4 of them. Top work.